In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in Sejda PDF Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to All Tools up top, hover over it, and where it says Edit and Sign, click on Fill and Sign. Now, the same thing can be done in here in case you're using the desktop app. Just click on Fill and Sign, and the process from there is going to be pretty much the same. Now, from here, upload your PDF document. I'm going to click on this one, click on Open. There we go. And then from here, you'll be able to see a few seconds. There we go. It's going to load, and up top, it now says sign. So you can add a signature over here. You can click on new signature, and then you have a few options which you can do. So you could go and type it in. For example, if I do instant how to, which of course is the name of this channel, I can go ahead and select any of these, for example, like this one, and I can place it over here just like that, and I have a signature. Now you also could go and draw it yourself, so you can select the color up top and just type in whatever you want, like instant, for example. There we go. You can do save, and you can place this one on as well. You can resize it, move it, do whatever you want with it. And of course, you have a few other options as well. The first one is upload image. So if you have an image of your signature, you can just open that and use that as your signature. And you also have the camera option, which will allow you to basically activate your camera. And as you can see here, it's going to say you have to sign on a white piece of paper and hold it in front of the camera, which I'm not going to do right now. But of course, that's also very possible. So those are all the options you have. And when you're done, don't forget to apply changes and then save your document, and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.